Form GSTR-3B is a simplified summary return by a normal taxpayer to declare GST-related liabilities for a tax period. In case you do not have any outward supply, do not have any reverse charge liability, do not intend to take any input tax credit in the current tax period, and do not have any pending tax liability of previous period tax, interest or late fee, you must file nil Form GSTR-3B. The facility to file nil Form GSTR-3B on GST portal was already available, and now you can also file nil Form GSTR-3B by just sending an SMS. This video will guide you how to file nil Form GSTR-3B through SMS. Any authorized signatory can file nil Form GSTR-3B through SMS on behalf of the taxpayer. In case you need any assistance to file nil Form GSTR-3B through SMS, you can send SMS in specified format as help space 3B to 14409. Once you send the SMS, GST portal will send back response message on the same mobile number with the SMS format. The SMS format for filing nil Form GSTR-3B for a GSTIN for the period is shown in the specified format. As an authorized signatory, send this SMS to 14409 from your registered mobile number. After receiving SMS, GST portal will validate if you can file nil Form GSTR-3B. You will receive appropriate response message on the same mobile number from which SMS was sent. If you are eligible for nil filing, you will receive a verification code that can be used once and will expire within 30 minutes. To confirm nil filing, SMS the verification code on the number 14409. Type CNF space 3B space verification code and send the SMS. Once the code is successfully sent, you will receive an ARN on the same mobile number and registered email ID of authorized signatory intimating successful nil filing. In case your code is incorrect or expired, or you have already filed the return or saved some details online, then you will receive an error message. Be cautious. If you end up sending invalid code more than thrice, your GSTIN and mobile number will be blocked for 24 hours. But don't worry, you can file nil Form GSTR-3B on GST portal, or wait for 24 hours before you file nil return through SMS. Once you have filed the return, you can also track the status of return after logging to the GST portal. It's that simple.